So this is a Geo ebook where we are trying to address the personalized learnings of the students. So here, as you can see, so let's start a quiz. There's a quiz live here. This is a quiz which a teacher is running in the classrooms, wherein the teachers can get real insights on the students. So the quiz is being made available on the board by the teachers. The first question is there on the student. Let's say this is a question. I submit my answer. I'm waiting for the teacher to continue with the quiz. AI is giving me my personalized feedback based on what I'm responding. So let's say he wants to study a concept on photosynthesis. So this is a writing first device. We haven't enabled any keyboards over here. So let's say he wants to study on the concept of photosynthesis at home when the teacher is unavailable. It can ask AI to explain this concept. So this is a response, a curriculum designed response where AI is understanding the need for the child and giving him curriculum aligned responses. The child can also communicate with the AI in his own mother tongue. Let's say, "आ गुजराती में समझाओ," and the response which is provided by AI will be in that language. You can also write, let's say, the AI also recognizes your handwriting and gives you response in that particular language. A video to assist understanding is also available. Apart from this, apart from the AI buddy, the students can refer to all the work which is being shared by the teachers. So all the boards which a teacher is creating inside the classroom, students can go home and refer to those boards as well for their personalized study. So everything what a teacher is doing inside the classroom is there for the students to refer. They have all their assignments flow in this, where they can go through which all assignments are being assigned to them. They can attempt the assignments from this section itself. They can view the worksheet which they have already submitted. They can see, go through and evaluate their responses over here. So we have a curriculum textbook for, let's say, science. This is how the textbook looks. We can make notes over here. We can highlight important stuff over here, and nothing ever gets erased from here. It's already saved and available for you to revise. We also have an AI embedded over here, which will help the student to understand and revise that concept while at home. So let's say he wants to understand this particular concept. You can ask the AI, and the AI will try to explain the particular concept. So this is how we have tried to enable AI at every checkpoint, whether the student is at home or whether he wants to learn it at any his own mother tongue. AI understands the child, is always available and patient enough to help the child go through this learning journey smoothly.